What do you think, cooks? Can we do this morning? Huh? Can we do this morning? Morning. Oh, hey, Cooks. Hey, Cook showed up. I haven't posted in 3 weeks, maybe 4. I am smack dab in the middle of festival season. I'm in my pajamas, by the way. Good morning. Coffee and pajamas. Let's do this. I'm thinking about not taking a break from my channel, but even though I did, taking a change. In the next few weeks, instead of posting videos of different projects that we can make, via tie-dye jewelry, I'm going to drag you around the house with me, and you can see my daily life and the chaos of getting ready, getting packed, getting inventory done, to do festivals. I have 3 festivals in May. They are multiple day festivals each. Plus, I'm driving to New York to a whirlwind trip, going up on a Tuesday, coming back on a Thursday, and picking up my best friend who's got a job down here, and she's moving down here. My May is gonna be busy. And so I thought, instead of posting on Wednesdays with a project idea, I'm going to post sporadically and just you can't have my coffee, keep you updated on just where I am, and throw in a video when I get a chance, because I'm doing all kinds of tie-dye right now, and just try that for a month. And so I have my few regulars that are real quick to come in and offer suggestions and support. And that's who I'm asking. You guys are the butter to my bread when it comes to this channel, because I'm not monetized. I'm not doing it for money. Maybe one day it'll happen, but it's just going to be a natural flow. I'm just doing it because I'm just sharing with us, and I'm making friends. Cooks has had her gabapentin this morning. She's real lovey instead of bossy. So this is the one side of her you guys never see, because I never record this early in the morning. That gabapentin's good to you, girl, ain't it? Poor little broken back girl. So yeah, so that's it. It's just like a quick morning over coffee. What do you think? We're doing a bunch of stuff in the yard. We've got a big thing of mulch we're moving around. We got a huge thing of dirt we're moving around. Because I'm even changing up the way I'm doing my garden this year. I might just put in a huge pollinator garden and take a break from vegetables this year. Because I'm busy. I'm busy. And it's going to be the same through June and July. I'm going to have a bunch of family things planned and people coming to visit, and I just might vlog all summer. So look at my mess. Coming, yeah. So what do you think? What do you think? Little shorty, just say, hey, I'm still here. Are you still here? Let me know. And remember, be peaceful. Be kind. It's important. Especially when you're busy. Be peaceful and kind for yourself. Give yourself a break, okay? Hey, and I'm going to talk to you guys soon.